Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to count the total number of order ID without using count function. So in SQL, count function is commonly used to calculate the number of rows in a table. However, this question challenges you to achieve the same result using the alternative method. So in this we have used a sum function to calculate the total number of order ID. So first we write a select, then sum. I just copy the this one and we gave here only one. So we run both the query in same time and the output is same. Okay, so basically just sum one adds one number for each row in the orders table. So here is the way to get the total number of order ID without using a count function. Thank you for watching.